When you have a firearm, what good intention you have? No, what good intention you have if you have a firearm? If you get caught with a firearm, like, what good intention you have? You don't have no good intention.
And it's illegal.
Yeah, it is illegal. You don't have no good intention. To me, if you pick up a firearm, you should have been more than 15. But 15, yeah.
I think it was a good move.
Yeah, it was a good move. I'm like the move because, alright, perfect example. Me, arrest and charge, male already, illegal possession, firearm and ammunition and stuff. And in a 2-year time, I see a man me walk past on the road.
Get me off of the street and get a hold of where we're.
I'm not kidding, but me a little boy and my mother, I'll start to get and start.
Anything can, when you take up gun and them things and shoot people and them things that we are run from.
Well, I've been a police officer for the past about, 14 years?
So when you that grow up, you always want to become a police, or did you have some other goal before becoming a police?
Not really. It wasn't something like, when I go through high school and, that time a teacher and said to you, what your career go, where you want to become in life. And most of the time, student, most of the time you would like, you want to become a lawyer, doctor, nurse. Police wasn't a part of it. So, never know more than reach us. You get me? Never know more than reach us. None at all.
What is it like being a police officer in Jamaica?
Well, more than say, it's rough at times, and at times it's smooth. But most of the times, based on me only can talk and my experience being police officer in Jamaica, it's rough. Like, based on the places where I work, me work most like in the garrison areas, and most of the time the people them is like at times they're really difficult to deal with. They're really difficult to deal at times, but sometimes you have to just work with them in terms of how them behave. You get me, you have to just work with them and just know, I just want them thing there. But it's difficult at times, no joke about it, it's really, really difficult.
What are the toughest challenges that you face on a daily basis, or you and your team face on a daily basis?
Well, to deal with person who not really like police.
Just police in Central Kingston.
We know people don't like police for no reason at all. Why do you think that?
Well, because you have some people out there where them just feel like them not like police because of several reasons. Sometimes some of them not even have any encounter at all with police, but maybe them family, them brother, them sister might have some other encounter, and them just come up and them just say, yo, me don't like the police. And when they see them most of the time, I ask them what the reason, them don't have a reason.
They don't have a reason why they don't like police, they just don't like it.
Them just don't like it. Maybe them brother, them sister, maybe they have an encounter with the police, them just grow up and say, yo, me don't like police either. Some of them just anti-policing.
Yeah.
So them kind of people are really difficult to deal with.
Which are the set of people harder to deal with? Is it the people them uptown or inner the garrison?
I wouldn't divide and say, uptown people are more difficult, or the down, or whosoever in the garrison or the inner city people are more difficult. More because at the end of the day, you have good behaving citizens who live in the garrison, in the ghetto with them say good behaving, like them really, you have to wonder, say, all them people live down here, so them people have to live uptown.
What gender do you and your team arrest the most or come in confrontation with?
Male.
Male?
Male.
What age group?
About, if I said 16 to about 30.
Oh, so if you beat off the police?
Yo, me touching on the body boy.
If you beat off the police?
Touching on all your body boy like your fucking young. Yo, you tell me about this dog. You have to shoot the pussy one.
Do you think the music that endorses, or for a better word, glorify violence, guns, and crime in our country in such a way that it looks